how to change voice on Discord without Clownfish. So if you want to change your voice on Discord without the Clownfish, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Voicemod. After searching, you'll find the Voicemod right here. So you can go with the free trial option or the free version. Go with www.voicemod.com. Go with download for free, and once you've downloaded, you need to go with the settings of the application. Under settings, you need to select the microphone option, and under the microphone you need to go with microphone array, which is Realtek audio. So select that under your audio settings, and after selecting that audio settings on your voice mode, you can go back to your Discord, open up your Discord, log into your account. After that, go with your server and then start stream, or just share your screen, or go with the server, go with your voice channels, and you'll be able to change your voice on your Discord. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.